Hi guys, good morning. My name is Mercy Gathuru Bogo. It's my YouTube channel. All Kamoyo Second Family. Kamoyo Second Family at gmail.com. Subscribe there. Imagine today we thank God we've woken up well. God is so faithful. It's another yet a new day He has given us. And now, guys, as I have just woken up, yesterday night I had a loud bang in my compound, but I didn't wake up. But nikaangalia kwa CCTV and I saw the tree. It is the big tree that is in my compound that has fallen, and I'll show it. And that's why we are not allowed to to stay under a tree when it is raining.
Hi guys, welcome back and subscribe to Gathuru Bogo, the second family, Kamoyo second family.
Kamoyo second family.
Hi guys, subscribe, like, share, subscribe, comment, and subscribe to Gathuru.
Yeah, subscribe to
Kamoyo second family.
Kamoyo second family. At first we were at Gathuru Bogo. Gathuru is my nickname. Bogo is my daddy. But we changed the name to Gathuru to Kamoyo second family. Kamoyo is my husband who died at a time like this. In fact, he died at 24th April the year 2022. That's why we are keeping that name. We have another family, and we are the second family. That's why we call ourselves Kamoyo second family. We are the second family. The other family we have, yeah, they are also there. And now I want to show the tree that fall. I have so many trees in my compound. Like this one, you see, it's big. I have so many trees. This one,
And then
this one, they're big. This one is the one that the branch fell. The branch fell. It had so many branches, as you can see. One of the branch fell. So the compound now, we have a lot of light. See, we have a lot of light. It fell. It was so big. Ndio maana if it is raining, we are not supposed to stay under the tree. We are not supposed to stay under the tree, guys, because you see, when it's raining. This one happened yesterday at 2 p.m.
See how big it is.
I saw it in the CCTV. I couldn't have waken up. It was ni saa 8 ya usiku, si ndio? I have so many trees allowed the compound. Some are small, like that one is small, this one is small. I have flowers also. Hey, my goodness. See. Now I have to call somebody and cut it off. They are big trees. Hey, like these ones, they are big. I have palm tree here. It's big. This one has gone even to the rooftop of the house. Even this one, I'll cut it off. See? Hey. These are the flowers. Side and side, I have flowers. This tree, I'll cut it off. You can see even this one is big. It has touched the rooftop of the house. So I'll cut even this one. For protection, for the safety, I'll cut it. I'll also cut, I can also cut this. See this one? It's big. But this one I will not cut. This one is orange tree. Hey, we have orange tree. Ziko nono, ziko already almost ziive tukule. We have avocados with me. It's also big. I think once I harvest these avocados, see.
Oh, stop.
Once I harvest these avocados, nitakata hiyo mti. Nakwambia ni mingi, vya meni ziko kubwa. Hii ni ile tulikata jana ya banana. I also have another sweet banana there. It's also big enough to share and share with children's home. I have sugar cane. I have a lot. So I have a lot. So I have decided, because of that tree that has fallen, nitakata miti zingine hapa kama hii inaonyesha hapa. Hiyo ni kubwa sana. Hiyo imelalia hadi nyumba. Si mnaona? Imelalia hadi nyumba juu. I have this belly tree. Hii nayo inaenda kuenda